Hello, my name is Ruth Long, and this is my public policy making project presentation, tracing San Antonio Code of Ordinances, Chapter 5, Animals, Section 5-4, Cruelty to Animals, through the process.
Let's begin with the recognition and definition of the issue at hand. This policy has been trying to solve the issue of animals being cruelly treated in the city of San Antonio. There's not any particular event or time that notes when the city first recognized this issue, but it has been noted that the city has made several attempts to pass ordinances and amendments to those ordinances to address this issue. However, it has been noted that in the state of Texas, animal cruelty laws have been in place since 1879. While earlier versions of the laws dealt exclusively with cattle and livestock, today Texas cruelty laws protect a variety of animals from inhumane treatment.
In just about every location where humans live on the planet, there are different animals being raised and taken care of by people. That is why the problem of animal cruelty can be found in all levels: local, state, national, and international. However, the specific local policy that recognizes this issue is from the San Antonio Code of Ordinances and concerns only those living within the city. The main group of citizens concerned with the issue are City of San Antonio Council, Animal Care Services Department, local animal rights activists, and state and national animal rights organizations. The members of the San Antonio City Council have been the main key actors to write the policy on animal cruelty and to approve the amendments to it later on. However, the City of San Antonio Animal Care Services and local animal rights interest groups were credited for pushing the city to put the needed changes to the implemented policy on their agenda. The City of San Antonio has clearly analogously formulated this policy using a mixture of strategies used by many other city policies, including bans, and new creative measures laid out in the City of San Antonio Animal Care Services current strategic plan to advance the enforcement of the policy and engage and educate the community about the policy. The policy has been amended several times since the City Council voted to change the city's animal cruelty ordinance and to continue Animal Care Services' current strategic plan, after they encouraged community involvement and tried to represent the voice of the people that they heard in community meetings and surveys. It requires a lot of resources and organization to enact this policy, but the city gives funds estimated to be around $100,000 to Animal Care Services for the enforcement of animal cruelty laws, the impoundment of additional pets, issuing citations, returning more pets to their owners, and community engagement programs that promote responsible pet ownership. In addition, ACS and many animal rights organizations give donations that were made out to them to help fund these services. Animal Care Services mainly uses authoritative techniques to implement this policy, since they crack down on situations that break animal cruelty laws and inform what the consequences to this are to the public. ACS also uses capacity, incentive, and hortatory techniques to implement this policy with the help of other animal cruelty interest groups by informing the public of their mission in creating ads that showcase abused animals, the most famous being ASPCA in the Arms of the Angel ad, which encourage people to comply with the policy by appealing to the people's better judgment in efforts to get them to report animal abuse and donate after telling them the benefits of donating, such as all donations are tax deductible, and educating them on how to care for animals and stop animal cruelty. The City of San Antonio and ACS have already made several revisions to the city ordinances pertaining to this policy in the past year, since they have literally left the doors wide open to let change happen after the people addressed problems with the policy, such as ACS's shortcomings in enforcing the policy, and gave recommendations on what should be done when punishing those who violate animal cruelty laws.